guys, good day. I'm going to show you how to protect your charging cables. I did it with the iPhone Lightning cable, but I'm going to do it with the MacBook Air charger. You just take a pen, remove the spring out, remove the initial bit out a little bit. You can use your refill to do that, and then just twirl it around like this, and then just keep going. And towards the end, you can still use your refill to do the same. You see how it starts fitting in? The idea is get the whole refill around here so it doesn't bend closer to this segment right here, but it kind of bends like this when you have the whole refill around. The spring around. And this is how it's gonna look. See? It's gonna protect this area where typically all the issues start. Thank you for watching the video.